Welcome to the Saber Robotics preseason. This week, we interviewed a few rookies from each sub-team to see what they've been up to and what they hope to achieve for the rest of the season. First up, we have programming. So, Rihanna, why did you join Saber Robotics?
Well, my brother actually was involved in robotics since all his high school career, and he's been coaxing me to join since I was in elementary school, and I just never really got around to it. But in junior year, I started thinking about my future and what I want to do, and I saw computer software engineering sort of in that place, and I thought robotics would be a really cool experience to explore that field, as well as I had friends joining, so I thought it'd be a good time with them as well.
That's a perfect opportunity. So, what are you hoping to acquire from robotics?
Well, I want to see if this is really an interest that sparks me, so I want to learn some new skills, maybe the kind of thinking that you need for programming. And then just in general, being part of a team is a good way to make friendships and learn valuable skills that you can carry throughout your life no matter what.
Yeah, definitely. So what's one fact of robotics that you're really anticipating to meet,
I'm anticipating the competitions because when I went to them as a little kid, they just seemed so exciting, and I want to really be a part of that team and that environment and just see what it's all about.
Now I'm here with Kamud from the business and marketing team. So Kamud, why did you join Saber Robotics?
Well, I joined Saber Robotics because my brother told me about Saber Robotics, and I was always interested in robotics, and I joined a robotics club at UWM, and I was interested in that, so I wanted to continue my interests.
So why did you specifically join the business and marketing team?
Well, I've always been a person who's been good at numbers, so I felt like right when I got into business, it was all not numbers, but it was more kind of like relations and getting to know different companies and trying to find sponsors. But I felt like I had I had strengths in those areas.
So what are you anticipating this season? Like, what are you looking forward to?
I'm looking really forward to the competition, and like I've heard a lot of really great things about competitions and the chances we get to do and maybe even drive the robot later in the season.
Definitely, that's what we all look forward to. Thank you, Kamud. That's what's in marketing. Now I'm here with Doug, and he's actually a rookie mentor for the Young Electrical team. So Doug, how did you hear about Saber Robotics?
I've got a friend that her daughter is in the mechanical team, and she knew that I was very interested in electrical and mechanical and design. I've got kind of some backgrounds in most of those, and I work on computers for a living, so electrical kind of works for that. It really wasn't a hard sell. It's just there's so much excitement, there's so much going on. It's just they're giant robots. Once I met everybody and there was a good team dynamic going on, and there was a lot of enthusiasm. It wasn't hard to get me to commit. And now I keep showing up, and I'm working with everybody, and we're figuring out where did we have problems last year, what do we want to do this year. It's just so much fun. I actually genuinely look forward to it every week.
So talk about looking forward. What are you looking forward about this season?
Really, I want to see the electronics group, but the whole team, but the electronics group grow and build on self-confidence and expand its members. I want to see more parents get involved. I want to see more sponsorships come in. I want to see the community get more interested in it. I just want to see this become an establishment. I'm watching kids develop and build skills that I wish I'd have had at their age, and I'm able to help mentor them with that, and that is really awesome.
And that's what everyone should look forward to, and that's Doug. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Anytime.